Hello guys, this will be the assembly video of HMT Pilot. First I will apply oil for the mainspring and over here where it connects with arbor. Then I will apply oil on this jewel for center wheel. And small portion of oil on top of the center wheel. Then I will put back the center wheel bridge. Now I will start placing the wheels. First I will place escape wheel. Then third wheel. And then fourth wheel or center second wheel, and I will apply oil on its pinion. Now I will do the train wheel bridge. Once the train wheel work is done, I will apply oil over here for the barrel complete, and I will also apply oil over here. This will reduce friction for the complete barrel. Now I will put back the click spring. And then I can put back the ratchet wheel. And I will also apply oil on the tip of the click, and small portion of oil for the crown wheel. And now I will oil the jewels. This is the cannon pinion. This is the minute wheel, and this is setting wheel. This is minute wheel guard, which will have two screws. Now I will do the lower balance jewel. First I will place this spiral spring over here. This thing is called lower cap jewel mounted. Let's do the keyless work now. I will apply oil for the setting lever first. Then I will place the setting lever and I will put back its lock. I will apply oil on this part of the setting lever. This is where it connects with the yoke. Then I will place the clutch wheel and I will apply oil on the winding pinion. Now I will place the yoke like this and I will apply oil on yoke on this part where it will connect with the yoke spring. Now I will put back the setting lever spring. So the keyless work is complete. I will apply a small portion of oil on the pallet fork stones. Again, this is spiral spring with jewel. And this jewel is called upper cap jewel mounted. And before putting back the crown stem, I will apply oil on it. So here the movement is completely serviced.